All right, our last set of angle pairs that we're going to discuss today are vertical angles. Vertical angles are a pair of opposite and equal angles made by a pair of intersecting lines. So we've got intersecting lines CD and intersecting lines AB. And as you can see, they form four separate angles. The nice thing about vertical pairs is we're saying that these two angles are vertical pairs. So the ones that equal 54 are vertical pairs. We've also got another set, 126 and 126. We're saying that if I'm asking for what is the vertical pair to this 54, it's going to also equal the same amount. So just be aware of that as we go through and we figure out our missing measures. Nice thing is you don't have to solve anything. You don't even have to think that hard because if you know one measurement in these, you actually know them all. Here's the nice thing too is if I were saying what is the supplementary angle to this, well, this would be my supplementary. X is my supplementary, so if I were looking for the angle there, I could find it. But right now, we're looking for the vertical angle. So if I'm saying that this is 76, and I'm saying what's the value of y is also going to be 76. You don't have to do anything to solve it. You just look and see what the original measure is. Okay, when it comes to solving the equations, we're still going to follow the same steps that we've been doing. So when we're saying what the value of y is, and please, I apologize, I really just mean the value of x. I forgot to change out my variable here. But what I'm saying, and if you need me to erase it, I can. But we're saying, okay, first step that we're going to do is we're going to say find the missing measure. Well, if this equals 100, that means that this angle equals 100 also, which means x plus 7 equals 100. So I'm going to plug in as a solution to my equation solve. So I'm saying x plus 7 equals 100. To solve that, I'm going to do inverse operations. I'm going to do 100 minus 7. And that means that x is going to equal 93. Again, works just as well with two-step equations. We're going to find our missing measure here because this is 63. That means that this angle measure is 63, which means this equation here, 11y minus 36, is also equal to 63. So I'll go through and I will solve the equation 11y minus 36 equals 63. I'm going to do the inverse and get rid of my number that does not have a variable with it first. So I end up with 11y equals 63 plus 36. I end up there, once I add those together, I end up with 99. So I end up with 11y equals 99. I go through my next inverse operation and multiplying by 11 here. So I'm going to divide by 11 to solve. So 99 divided by 11 means that y equals 9. Go ahead. If you are at home, start filling out the next section of your Pear Deck. If you are in the classroom, know that we're getting ready to do our last revolution. So have at it.